We're Friendly Thieves, live from Prospero's Bell Tower. We're going to play a couple of our songs for you. This one was off of our debut album, Till Death. It's not that I feel unworthy. That's just how indifference tastes. You showed my body its holy. Said that with you I'm safe. How could I have known you never meant what you said? Oh, to take your last name, I would breathe my last breath. Tell everyone it's my fault. Promise till death. Go on, tell everyone it's my fault. We promise till death. It's nights like this I lose focus when it's your closeness I crave. Phantom touch in the distance, counting the moments we waste. Despite the evidence, the traces of your presence here, I'll be searching for new purpose, and they'll be questioning my motives, dear. To hide and to hold. Devotion or fascination, glowing feathers made to look like holy patrons. Where grief is the price of love, loss is the cost of divination. In far too deep, bruising up knees, lifting a prayer, bomb flight and freeze, always fighting. It's no fair. Is this the end of you and me? It's not that I feel unworthy. That's just how indifference tastes. Shameful of you not to leave. Cruel of me to have stayed in sickness. And forever hold your peace. In sickness, this next song is new. It's called Get It Yourself. Hold up. Come on now, wait a minute. Shut up, you see what's on the line. Good things do take a bit of time. Working up the kinks, we got 'em. Lost money solving problems with every single ride. Take care out there, don't lose your mind. No one is playing fair, that's an on petty crime. Oh, the cost could sink you if you let it get you down. Baby, it takes a risk to get this kind of stuff. Caught up in someone's vision, sawdust is do a bit of harm. Send water, sound off the alarm. The nose with the hand of crimson, digging up the bombs you hidden. Stay calm, collected, work your art. Where do you go when you hide from the dark? You're afraid. Try as you might, there's no way to get out of the pain. Where do you go when you hide from the dark? You're afraid. Try as you might, there's no way to get out of the pain. Take care out there, don't lose your mind. No one is playing fair, betting on petty crimes. The cost will sink you if you let it get you down. Don't let it get you. Take care out there, don't lose your mind. No one is playing fair, betting on petty crime. Oh, the cost can sink you, so don't you let it get you down. Baby, you want it, go get it. Hey! Get it yourself. Go get it yourself. I've got a little transition here where I'm gonna plug this bad boy in and put this on a stand, but this song is called Let the City Burn. Not that we want Kansas City to burn. I have to clarify that for legal purposes. But, the overall establishment. You get it. it's justified as food. Oh, the man kills the man, justifies it as good. Burning streets that flow red, smothering their voices. Oh, not a moment to waste in a cyclical fate. Always on the run and rest under the candle. When your lips have turned cold, we watch the city burn. Boy, it was never really ours. So let the city burn. It's only meant for the skies. We watch as the city burns out. Its time has come. So let the city burn. I just like this one. One, two, three, let's go! Thank you for watching.